Hi guys. When I started filming during COVID, I was at such a low spot. I have unpacked so much of that time in my life. Ultimately, I stopped filming YouTube videos, and that's partly why I'm here today because I started watching YouTube when I was in 6th or 7th grade. So that was like 2006 or 2007. Like literally like watching the original Smosh Pokemon videos and like just falling down whatever rabbit hole a seventh grader might fall down on YouTube, which led into finding the beauty community on YouTube, which really helped me as a very lonely and misfit child. I felt like I never have belonged in most spaces that I've been in. Um, and I think a lot of that just stems from being an only child and being raised by my grandparents and not having as much money as everyone around me had. But all that aside, YouTube has been a place that I have come to in every moment of my life, whether it be happiness or sadness or determination or just for a sense of understanding. And because of that, I've always wanted to create that same space for other people who are like me and give back to the platform that has given so much to me over the years. Yeah, because I'm literally 31 years old now, and I've had the dream of being on YouTube, not even being on YouTube, but just like having the balls to post videos and like put myself out there has been extremely difficult for me because I have this extreme fear of failure and being perceived and just overall not being good enough. And it's not that I'm not good enough for you, it's that I'm not good enough for myself. And so the first step for me to combat that feeling and to start to unpack and unlearn that is to just start doing. And it's incredibly scary to start doing something. I know because I've done it my whole life, and the feeling is the same every time. But I don't. I know that that feeling that I have right now is going to be way easier to combat and move through than it will be if I move through my entire life not having tackled these fears. I know that if I'm not creating, it is the biggest risk to my well being. And right now, I'm finding it very difficult to create and to be who I know that I am because of years of, I'm not going to say it's trauma because I don't think that it is, but it's just years of like conditioning and feeling safe in what I know. And I cannot keep doing this to myself. I have to go back to who I know I am. Um, and that starts with creating every day for 30 days. And this video is one way of me doing that. What I really wish to do is build a community on YouTube I don't care about money and I don't care about fame. I literally just want to feel like I belong somewhere. And what's really hard with feeling like you're not good enough is that every time you set out to do something and you fail, it's this reinforcing idea. Like it reinforces that idea that you're not good enough. And I think over the last couple of years, there are several things that I've lost in my life. Whether that be a relationship, whether that be my career, whether that be friends, money, whatever it might be. It is this like constant negative thought pattern in my head that reinforces that, oh, I'm just not good enough. I didn't do that the way I was supposed to. I guess in reality, it's not even that I'm not good enough. It's just that I'm not enough. And over the years, that has led me to feel like I'm not even enough for myself. And nobody can fix that but me.